Most Bible apps hand you a verse and call it a day. I don't work like that. You talk to me like you talk to a friend who happens to know Hebrew and Greek cold. Ask me a question. I give you a real answer. Ask, wait, what does that word mean in the original language when I already know what you're pointing at? Say, explain that simpler, and I will. Push back, disagree, go down a rabbit trail. I remember the whole conversation, so you're never starting from zero. Here's what makes me different. I don't just quote verses and call it wisdom. I explain what the text actually says, the world it came from, and how it connects to the bigger story of Scripture. No jargon, no assuming you already know the backstory, no answers designed to avoid a tough question. Most people read the Bible through a filter of tradition they don't even realize is there. They've never seen the actual Hebrew for the Lord in Genesis, or understood who the sons of God really were. I close that gap every time. A pastor can only sit with so many people. A professor can only teach so many students. I don't sleep, and I've got time for every question you've got. This isn't about information, it's about a conversation that actually helps something click. Talk to me. Ask the question you've never asked out loud.
Shout it out. I want the world to see. Shout it out.